Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dagal, and in this video I am going to show you how to create an autoresponder in GetResponse in an easy way. To create an autoresponder on GetResponse, firstly you need to create a list. So let's click on list at here and then click on create list. Now simply give a unique name to the list and then click on create. So once you created the list, then go to this menu section and click on it and click on autoresponders. Now at here you can see these autoresponders are for all list, and you can click on here and select only the list that you want to create the autoresponder for. So in our case we have just created PWN second LIT. Now I can click on apply and this will be blank. So once you do this much, then click on this icon and then you'll see these are the days. Now at which day you want to create the autoresponder message. For example, let's create for 0, meaning if anyone subscribes, your autoresponder message will be sent to them immediately. For that you can create on here. If you want to send after 1 day, then you can create a autoresponder message at here. Now let's click on here. Now you can give the name for this autoresponder, that may be day 0, and your message. You can give a title to this autoresponder, and if you want to change the date that this autoresponder would be sent to your subscriber, then you can simply increase here. It will be sent on day 3 if you select this, or leave it as it is and then scroll. So at here you can see it says linked list. It is free book today, but our list is PWN second LIT. So select it, okay, and then scroll down below and put your headline at here, and then headline means the email subject. Now scroll down below and click on design message and then click on blank template. Click on blank templates and then select this one which is totally blank, and simply click at here and turn off this show view online link, that is this one, turn it off, and this is logo, turn it off too. Now click on layout and left click at here and drag it to here, and now type your message at here. Now if you want to put the link, let me show you. So let's say now you want to increase the font. If you want to increase the font, simply increase it by here by changing this, and if you want to change the font size, simply click at here, and if you want to change the font style, click on here and change it to any other that you like. Now if you want to enter the link, then simply select the area where you want to enter the link and click on here, okay, and then simply enter the link at here and click on enter. Whatever your link is, put it at here and click on insert. Okay, now you can make it bold too. So in this way you can create autoresponder message, and then once this is done, then click on next and scroll down below and make sure to check this, okay, which list is linked to this autoresponder. So it is our day 0 message and it is linked to PWN second LIT. Now let's click on save and publish. Now our message is ready. Now you can simply click here and click on duplicate and then you can make it for another day's autoresponder, and you can change this. So this will be sent in the next day when people subscribes to our list. And then change your headline at here and click on edit message and make some changes in this message. Okay, and then click on next and scroll down below and click on save and publish. So make sure to check PWN second LIT. So our another autoresponder message is also ready. So guys, if you don't have an GetResponse account, then you can get a 30 days free trial of GetResponse, and I have given a link in the description of this video. Also, if you want to watch a full step-by-step tutorial on how to set up each and everything in GetResponse, then I have given a link of a YouTube video that I have created. You can click on that and watch that full tutorial and set up everything in GetResponse in less than 1 hour. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ask me question in the comment section below. And did you like this tutorial? If yes, then I would also like to know about your point of view on this tutorial. So please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.